అల్లుడు
ఆ,
ఈ మిషన్ చాలా బాగుంది అల్లుడు. కాళ్ళని కసాబిసా నొక్కేస్తుంది.
పిల్లల కాళ్ళు నొక్కడం మానేసాక ఈ మిషన్ కనిపెట్టారులేండి.
You know, this gentleman here, your director साहब, he is phenomenal.
Yeah.
You know, precision के साथ काम करते हैं. फिर चाहे emotion निकलवाना हो, action निकलवाना हो, and मतलब क्या सोचते हैं मुझे नहीं पता, because कुछ बहुत अलग दिखता है स्क्रीन पे. You tell me, this is contemporary. At the same time, वो जो हमारे पुराण हैं या शिव जी की जो you know वो cosmic energy है, it's a beautiful mix of that. मुझे इसके बारे में थोड़ा बताओ, जब आपको इस फिल्म के लिए अप्रोच किया गया एंड जब आपको पता लगा सर इसमें.
First thing first, I want to do this film.
Right, right.
I want to do this film. And then, see, I'm a fan of, I feel that if you're an actor, especially in Indian film industry, you need to experience every texture, nature of, like, all types of cinema. So I've done very, you know, very serious kind of roles, and I've tried all genre, but this one, I've never tried. This style of filmmaking where everybody is entertained to the core.
Yes.
The intention is out there. People come to theater, they enjoy from start to the end. And then the art of, you know, this commercial filmmaking is not just, you know, it's just not mindless entertainment, but he's going to take the audience through the emotions, through Sanatan Dharma, through family emotions, different types of emotions. That is not easy. Like when there is a fight, we want the audience to feel that, okay, we want the hero here to win because he's fighting for the reason. So that reason and you know, that is so right. And we are in it. So that's the beauty of, you know, his filmmaking. I love this kind of cinema. I wanted to try it. I wanted to work with him. And he's super fast. Both of them, this BB combination is something else. Is something else. From morning, they are okay to start their day, morning 6 o'clock, full energy, evening till pack up, the same. The graph is just upper. It is never going, never going down. And that is one thing. And then the speed with which he knows what he wants. Okay, there is no, but I loved on the first day, maybe after the first scene or, you know, in between the scene, he started giving me space. Because he is like, you own it up and you do it. I would be like, sir, how do you want this? Because I keep looking forward to learn something from every director that I work with. So I'm like, sir, how do you want me to say this dialogue? Initially, yes, he gave me, you know, proper, this is how I want. And then I think he understood that I got the meter, what he needs. And then he's like, you own it up and do it. And then I started enjoying
That is how it should be.
It should be, yes.
वो trust जो है, that is very important.
Exactly. So imagine the beautiful blend where you know this, you are part of a film which is made on a big scale. And then my love of life, Shiva, is, you know, it's all over this movie. And then you are working with full on, there is no bad day with this person. It's always full on entertainment celebration with him.
I am sure.